the newer version 3 we have added. No, for the newer version it will show old data and the new data, and for the older versions it will show the updated information. Okay, that is how it works. Okay, what we have done here, scan scores data is there. So all this information are there. Now we will take course time. Okay, we will work on course time, not info, and then see what is the difference it is showing. Okay, I will. So now we will see what is the version of a course time. Okay, course time column family, what is the version we will say. So we'll describe the table and we will see it. It is in the version 1. Okay, so what we will do, we'll put some values. It is having 2 and 10 as the values, or we will alter the version. Okay, first I will give a new version to it. Alter course name, alter course row 1, and we have to give the column name. Column name is the course time, that we have to pass it in quotes, and versions I will give it as say 3 or 2, anything you can give, whichever you wanted to give. So column spelling is wrong, column. Course time is wrong, it is giving error. Unknown argument ignored, versions. Okay, no problem. Okay, I think it is not having course time. That course table is not having course time, it is having, no, right? Okay, let's see that. Now we will have the description of that. Something is happening. Okay, I gave it wrong. Row you should not give directly the course name. Alter course name and the whichever the version you wanted to change, that you have to give for the column family. I have given row 1, so it took that row 1 also, it tried to add it. Okay, but still it is giving problem. Alter course name, command itself is wrong. Alter course name is this one, and version says 3. I gave the wrong command. Okay, it is updated. DSC course. Okay, course time it is changed to version 3. Okay, if you scan the table and check course, we had 2 course times, which is 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Right, 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. Say will I add, just a moment. Okay, sorry. Say we add one more course time as a 5 p.m. something like that. Then let's see what it is, how it is working. Then I will put course slash for the row 1 course time AF. For AF only I'm giving the new value. Okay, 5 p.m. Okay, now I am trying to put a new value in this version 3. Okay, then enter. It is fine, updated. Then we'll check for the version 3. Version 3, it will have all the updated and the old information. And if it is in the older version, it will give the latest only. Okay, that is the thing I was confused actually that time. But that's how it will give. It will work. Row 1, column, course time. We are trying to retrieve the version and check for the version 3. Okay, now I am getting the value for the version 3, the course time column family information. Okay, enter it. Now it will give all the data, right? Like whatever is newly added and whatever is existing. Say if you try to retrieve the data of one version, then it will give only the updated one. Okay, for AOF it will get updated to 5. Okay, 2 is updated to 5 afternoon session, so it is giving the 5 p.m. Otherwise it will give otherwise it will give us the letter, I mean all the versions. See what does it mean is, like if you do a description of the course, you can see which column family or in which versions. Okay, column info family is in version 3, course time family is in version 3. Okay, some row 1 I have mistakenly added. Okay, if I try to get the version of the present wo- on present what it is pointing to. Okay, not present, what it is pointing to, then it will give old data and also the updated one. Updated means new data added. If you're trying to get the old data, then it will update the whatever the information with the new data and it gives us a result. Okay, very able to make out. So anytime Ramakrishna, if anytime you are going to add the data in the current version, you can retrieve everything and see. Okay, from the current versions. You don't have to give the version name also. Directly if you give it, it will give as per what is the version 3 information it is holding. Okay. Version no, not the version 3 information, previous one only it is going to give it. This is previous only. Is this okay guys? This is a little vague. I know HBase is a little vague, not like other things, but this is how it is. Is it confusing still? Tell me, I will explain. No reply, Baladurga, Roja, Sarika. Sarika, did you understand? Whichever the version you are making the update, and if you retrieve through that version, it gives all the data. It will give all the data. Otherwise, if you are trying to get the old one, it will update and give you the old information only. See here, you will not able to see the two and all in that. Please tell me, is it confusing? Sarika, Sharmita, you tell me, did you understand or not? Or did you understand HBase or not? I think HBase is not going, have not gone properly, I think. Right? Many breaks were there in between the classes. Ramakrishna, is it confusing?
Come on.
Okay, this is all with the H base. So we will see scoop some are there that I will show it on a Monday, not Monday, Tuesday. Then we'll do cluster. That's all. It will be over. Okay, you will practice and let me know whether you will were able to do H base. Is that fine? Hive questions can you take? Can I upload it in the portal? Hive you have not practiced, no? Not like an assignment, but for your practice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, clear. I'm not sure clear or not. Confusing, no, confusing. Why? Because it was confusing for me also. That's why I missed it in the morning. But that is how it works. The current version, no, Sarika, if you where that course information when you describe the table and see it, the course information is showing the current version, right? If you make any changes in the current version for the existing field, okay, so existing cell actually, then if you retrieve and check, if you get the data for the current version, even the updated one and the old one data all will be shown. That's what it is showing here. Okay, for now I am in the current version 3. If you can see, for the course time the current version is 3. When I retrieve for the current version, I have added a new data for the AF. That is also show, that will also be present. And also the old data like a 2 p.m., that will also be coming. Okay, but if you try to access previous versions or some other versions, the if is replaced now. Okay, it will get replaced with the whatever the values we have added, and it gives the updated information. Okay, that is what it is happening here. Okay, I don't want to confuse more. What we can also do is, as a practice, you people can try to add, put course time I have added. No, you can also add a new column family and add new values to it and check it how it will reflect. Because if I keep writing, it will be confusing. I think maybe Tuesday I will show, try to show some example in that. I'll try. And the loading is not working because there is some connection problem that I'll have to see. Okay, then you can practice it after executing command. Will understand, I think. Yes, Sarika, you execute it, you will understand. I will give some hive commands. You do it for your practice only. Okay, hive one exercise is there, lab exercise that you do it. So whatever is left over, I will try to finish it next week. I think there is some doubts which are not clarified, that I will finish it, and by that it will be over. I plan to finish this week itself, but I could not do. So you do your, I mean, these 3 days you start doing your, not start, you should be doing your projects. Okay, projects you start. HBase and Sparks you have the understanding, that is fine. Okay, Hive and Pig you practice on more. HBase and Spark afterwards also you can practice, no problem. Okay, if you want, yeah, tell me anything you wanted to tell or any confusion, please tell me, then only I will know. Okay, if you want more classes also, I'll try to take. Big assignment answers, I will put it now. Map reduce are not working, Sharmita, for you. Map reduce is not working. What is the problem you are facing, Sharmita? Will you be able to share? Even for many others, okay. Then I will execute and only show it. Okay. I know there is one pending Java programs and this. Okay, I will execute and only show. Maybe we can have a revision session. That time I will do it. Okay. Okay, then you start do practice. I will put. You start off with the commands. With difficulty, we will check it. And what else? Remaining, I told already. Otherwise, again and again, I'm repeating. Okay.